All right. Scanning products. Does it vibrate?
Yep.
It's kind of nice. It tells you that it actually scanned to
gives
validate.
you feedback.
All right, cool.
So we got everything.
So for this product, see it shows quantity on hand. That means for this product, we're keeping track of on hand quantity. So technically you have two options, update or add to cart. So you can, yeah, no, I should have not done that.
Okay. Go like, so if you're trying to update it.
Yeah.
And then,
yeah,
okay.
you change the quantity. Yeah.
Okay. So I
and
can
then click
actually
update.
see how much I have. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, but it's not, because there's like, I don't know how many come in each box, right? Is it by
50.
box or is it? Oh, okay.
So it's,
Box of 50. So you have to like know how many.
So you have like 2.5 boxes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There's just 5 of them.
Gotcha. Oh, okay. Let me just update that. Okay.
The rest of the products you just scan, and then you can also scan. You have both options. Either all of them you can add to the shopping cart. Add to cart. Can we check the cart?
Yeah. Where do I go?
On the desktop.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So they're all here.
Cool.
Awesome.
Nice.